All right, everybody, let's get started. So this is grade 5 and 6 summer camp for grade 5 and 6 summer camp, and we are doing Gamefroot. This is Python based, or you can say Java based platform for game development. Or हमारे पास right now the kids we are having, they are making their game on their own, and I'm so proud of you all. Okay, so what we are doing right now, in the previous class, what we have done, we have placed the character, we have placed the tiles, and we have moved the, now what to in today's class, what we have done, we have moved the character. Now I'll show you. I'm clicking on this option, edit script option, and when we will click on this option, this is the programming that we have done for today. And I'll just quickly show you what we have done. I'll just click on this play button to show you how our program is working, or how our game is working. Now this is my character. If I'm clicking on the right arrow on my keyboard, it is moving on the right hand side. If I'm clicking on the left arrow, it's moving leftwards. And then if I click on the down arrow, it's going downwards. And then if I want the character to move upwards or jump upwards, we will simply click on the up arrow and it will jump upwards. Okay, so it's quite interesting right now. The situation is quite interesting. What I have done over here is very simple. It is just basic mathematics. What we have done is we have understood that if we want the character to move a certain area, like for example, my character right now is here. Okay, I want my character to move upwards, downwards, left and right and left. So what I will do, I will follow basic y-axis and x-axis. So this is my x-axis and this is my y-axis. Now everyone, what we were doing over here is to move the character on the right hand side, we were using positive x. To move the character on the left hand side, we were using negative x. To move the character upwards, we are using negative y, and to move the character downwards, we are using positive y. Is this correct, everyone?
Yes, teacher.
Is this correct?
Yes.
Draw. Y. Who is going to be explaining me why, like what we have done over here? Who is going to be explaining me that? Are my x's correct?
These are
No, my x's are not correct. See, over here, what we have done, I have placed negative y upwards and positive y downwards. But in reality, if we talk about x's, जो असल x's होते हैं, उसमें positive y is upwards and negative y is downwards. Why I have made this shift is because due to gravity, we want the character to move upwards. So you all can see I have placed this block over here when the level starts. So what will happen when the level will start? The gravity will push the character, positive character, towards up, and we have set the gravity to be true, like gravity option to be true. And then simply we have placed when the right arrow is pressed, we have set the velocity. The velocity is going to move the character. So we have set the velocity 200. This is positive 200 because we're moving the character on the right hand side. This is left arrow is pressed to move the character minus 200x. So this is minus 200x. This is going to move the character left hand side. And over here, because I want the character to run against or jump against gravity, so I have placed for up arrow, I have placed negative minus 500. Okay. Acha. Now in front of these all blocks, what I have done is I have duplicated these blocks, like for example this one, I have duplicated it over here, and what I have done, instead of this pressed option, I have clicked on this option, released option. So what will happen, when I am pressing the right arrow, my character will move with 200x velocity forward, and when I'm releasing the arrow, right arrow, what will happen, my character will stay on its place. So that's why we have made the value 0 over here. And again for left arrow we have done the same thing. Is it clear till here for everyone?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Yes.
Now the next thing we are going to be doing is, in
Yes.
the games you guys might have seen, when the character is moving, the camera also moves according to the character, right? So
Yeah. Yes.
doing over here, we are going to be moving the camera according to the character. So what we will do over here, if you will, you can see we have this option, the events option. So from the events block, what we will do, I think so, we need the, I think so, I need the events block. Okay, let's try the events block. So from the events block, what I need this option. Can you see constantly?
Yes.
Right? So I will take
Yes.
the option and I will place it over here. And then from the looks, now when the camera needs to shift, so the camera needs to shift on who? The character, right? The look of the character.
Yeah.
So we will choose what? We will choose looks option
Look.
here, and from looks option we will choose what? Think guys, what we will choose.
Myself. This.
This is stage and this is camera. So what we will do, we will select the camera option, and in the camera option what we will do, we will select can you see this camera lock?
Yes.
Looks option we have camera lock. So what we will do, we will choose this option, center camera on myself. So I'm placing it over here, dragging it and simply attaching it over here. So what this is going to be doing, this is going to be moving the camera on who? The character. So let's see, when I will click on this play option, it is asking me to save the work. Yes. Now the character is right now over here. If I'm moving the character forward, can you see my camera is also moving according to the character? See, it is going up and then downwards. So my character is moving according with the camera, in respect with the camera. Can you all see that?
Yes, teacher.
If I make it jump and then I
Yeah.
go back. Okay?
Okay.
Is it visible for everyone? Can you see that? See.
Yes.
Yes, I can see.
We can move our character forward in the game, right?
Yes.
And it had fall down. Take it. Now we have done it till here. Let's move forward in the game. आप सबने यहाँ तक कर लिया है? Have you guys completed it till here?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Is anyone facing any issues?
No, ma'am.
Zara?
Oh.
No, ma'am. It's completely fine.
Okay. Now the next thing what we are going to be doing is we are going to be putting some more blocks over here, and we want the motions or we want the character to feel the animation. Okay. So what we are going to be doing over here, see, I'm going to be selecting this option. Can you see this animation option?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Yes.
अभी क्या है, अभी right now our character is just moving ठीक है? We want the character, we want the legs of the character to run like this. Okay, so what
Yeah.
we will add animations to it. So right now we will click on this animation block, and in this animation, can you see this option, play animation?
Yes.
Right, so I will attach this block in my right arrow block as well as in my left arrow block. Animation, play animation, and I will attach it over here. Clear? Now after
Yes.
watching it, you all
Yes.
it says play animation, and then over here it has written idle. So what I am going to be doing is I'm going to be removing this and I'm going to be writing run over here. You will do the same, okay? Just write run over here. Done?
Run. In both?
G, in both, in left and right.
Okay.
Done.
ठीक है?
Not done.
Try it first. Let's click on play. It is asking me to save the game. Yes, we will save the game. And then we move. And then we'll try it. Now, now let's try if my character is moving just like this or if it is actually showing you the animation. See. Can you see?
Yes, teacher.
Right?
Let me try mine.
Running. This is what we wanted. We wanted the character to run. Previously, it was not running, it was just moving. Okay? Now, right now,
Now just keep moving.
yeah, right now, again, it has kept itself in the moving state. So what we will do, we will go in this option, the released option, and what we will do, we will copy this, duplicate, attach it over here, again duplicate, attach here, because we are going to be released. J, is anyone saying something? Okay, now because we want to release that, please mute yourself, Shayan. Acha ji.
Sorry.
It's okay. So over here, what we are going to be doing in the released block, what we are going to be doing in the play animation, instead of run, we don't want the character to run in the released mode as well. So over here, what we will do, we will write idle. This is the word for the character to stop itself. Okay? Clear?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's play the game and let's see. Now see, if I'm moving it and then I'm stopping, I'm releasing my button, so it has stopped itself. It's not in the moving state or in the running state continuously. Can you all see that?
Yes, teacher.
Yep.
When
Wait.
releasing the button, it has stopped itself from running,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
Yes.
Is it
Yes.
everyone? Are you guys liking it?
Yes, ma'am.
So much.
Yes, ma'am.
And is it working perfectly at your end?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, now the next thing what we are going to be doing, or the next option which we are going to be adding over here, let's see what we can add. Right now my player is going here and there, okay, and then the next thing we want over here is the character to move towards the left hand side. Okay, now the next thing what we're going to be doing is we're going to be moving the character towards the left hand side. Let's see. For this, what we will do, we will click on this option, the transform option. Can you all see? What I am going to be basically doing is, यहाँ पे देखें, my character is right now just moving forward, and then if I want the character to move backwards, it's not turning itself backwards, it's just moving backwards, but it's not turning itself backwards. See,
Yes.
we want it to turn itself backwards. So what
Okay.
we do, we will click on this option, transform option. Can you all see transform option?
Yes.
Yes.
We will click on
Yes.
form option and transform. Should I choose the transform? Yes, from the transform option over here, can you all see this option set X? This one.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Now wait. This one, set X and Y scale. This one. Can you all see that?
Yes.
Right? We will choose this option over here first, and then over here we will select X. Can you see that?
Yes.
Right? Set X scale of myself 1. I have choose this one, and then I'm attaching it in my right arrow block over here.
Right arrow.
Yes, right arrow.
My page is almost full.
It's okay, we have a space. See, just zoom out on your right hand side, just zoom it out. We have a lot of space.
Okay, I'll try.
Okay.
Done?
Yes.
You have attached it over here.
Yes.
Yes.
Now what we will do, we will again duplicate this and we will place it in the Y left arrow block.
Left arrow block.
Yes. And we will choose the value what? -1. See, I'm zooming it for you. See, choose the value -1 over here. This one. Choose the value -1 over here and choose the value +1 over here.
Okay.
Done. Shall I move forward?
Yes.
Yes.
Let's try it. Okay, let's click on play and let's try it. Now let's see. Let's move it forward. Let's move it backwards. Can you all see? It has turned
Yes.
itself. Right? Previously it was not turned itself. Now it has turned itself. And then
Yeah.
jump and then jump and then down arrow
Here,
and then G.
there is a issue in my one.
What happened, Vanya? What's the issue?
Like when I turn my, like when my character turns, it's like upside down, I think.
Upside down. Okay, just give me a minute. I'll let you share your screen and then I'll check.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay. Is it clear for everyone till here? Have you guys done it till here?
Yes, I
Yes.
can.
Okay, perfect. Let's keep it till here. Okay, and we shall continue this tomorrow.